Okay guys, so we're going to do some subtraction today, and we're going to be working on regrouping. I know we've been doing a lot of using blocks and pictures and doing mental math strategies. Now we're going to be looking at doing some paper or pencil type of work, and specifically doing regrouping.
Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about regrouping with subtraction. Let's jump right in and get to learning. We are going to use place value to help us solve these problems today. In this problem, there are 45 students on the school bus. 17 students got off the first bus stop. How many students are left on the bus? To get started on this problem, let's first line the numbers up correctly. If we look at the 4 in the tens place, we need to remember that this represents 40 since it is in the tens place. The same goes for the 1 in 17. This 1 represents 10, and it is helpful to remember this as we are working the problem. Now that we have the numbers lined up correctly, let's represent these numbers using our place value blocks that I have. To get 45, we need 4 tens blocks, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 5 ones blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have our 45 blocks, and we know we need to subtract or take away 17 blocks. So let's start with subtracting the ones. How many ones do we need to subtract? We need to subtract 7, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. We can't take away 7 ones because we do not have 7 ones to take away. To solve this problem, we need to regroup. To regroup, we need to trade one of these tens blocks for 10 ones. Now we no longer have just 5 blocks. We have 15 blocks now. Now we can take away 7. 4.
Let's just stop here for a second. So we know that 5 is not bigger than 7, so we need to we can't, let's go back here a little bit. We can't subtract 7 ones because there's only 5 ones left, right? So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go to the tens place value and break one of these up so we have more ones. Now, we've broken this tens up. Now, do we still have 45? Well, we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So do you agree that this is the same as this? This is 10, 20, 30, 45, and we just agreed that this is also 45, but just the ones it's broken up. So that's how we have 15 ones now. Not 5 now, we have 15. So now we're ready to subtract 7, right? So let's watch what happens.
Now we can take away 7. How many ones does that leave? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put the 8 under the ones place. Next we need to count the tens place. But wait, we're supposed to have 4 tens blocks, but there are only 3. Why is that? Oh right, we had to trade a tens block for 10 ones. Let's change this 4 to a 3. Now how many do we need to subtract from 3? Right, 1. 3 subtract 1 is 2, so 2 goes in the tens place. So how many kids do we have left on the bus? 28. Great job! Let's take a look at another problem. In the school lunchroom,
Okay, let's do a problem together. Let's say we have 54 subtract 36. So we write, first we have 54, let's say we have 54 cars and toy cars. And then our little brother or sister comes and they want to play too. And they take away 36 of them. So we have to make sure we're lining up our place values. So our 4 is in our 1, so we have 4 ones in 54, and we're taking away 6 ones. So we have our 4 and our 6 in the ones place value. You can make an imaginary line even if you want to. if that helps you. And we have our 5 10s and our 3 10s lined up on top of each other. Just like when we're adding, we're stacking them on top based on the place value. So we're going to start always on the right side in the ones place value, the smallest place value when it comes to subtracting. So 4 ones take away 6 ones. Well, you can't do that. If you have 4 ones and I'm taking away 6 ones, there's not enough. So we're going to have to, just like in the video, we're going to have to borrow. We're going to have to break one of these 10s, one of the 5 10s into 4 10s. So this is going to turn into 4 10s, and we're going to add, how many ones are there in a 10? Yeah, there's 10. So that's why this is going to now be 14. It's not going to be 4 anymore. We're giving one of the 10s to the ones place value, and we know there's 10 ones in a 10. So that's why it's 14 now. So now we have 14 subtract 6. What's 14 subtract 6? So if I have 14 ones and we take away 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have our other mental math strategies that we've been practicing that we can use too. Okay, we're done the ones place value. Now we look to the 10s. 4 10s take away 3 10s. How many 10s do we have left? 4 subtract 3, and that is 1. So 54 subtract 36 is 18. Next example, let's pretend we have 72 race cars, little Hot Wheel race cars, and we're taking away 43 of them because maybe we have too many out and we just need to clean them up. So let's say we started with 72. We have our 1s and our 10s, and we're taking away 43 of them and putting them away. So our 3 is in the 1s, so we're going to put under the 1s, which is the 2. And our 4 is in the 10s, so we're going to put under the 10s. Okay, we're ready to subtract. So we'll look at the 1s. If we have 2 cars out and we're taking away 3 of them, can we do that? No, so we're going to have to go over to the 10s and we're going to have to borrow 10. Because this is the 10s, we're going to turn this into 6 10s and we're borrowing one of the 10s. And in the 1 10, there's 10 ones. So we're going to now have 10 plus 2, which is 12. We have 12 ones now. So 12 take away 3 is 12 take away 3. I know 12 take away 2 is 10. 12 take away 2 is 10, and we need to take one more away. So 9. Or whatever strategy you've been practicing to do that. And finally, we're done the ones. We look at the 10s. 6 10s take away 4 10s is 2 10s. So 72 take away 43 is 29. Now, what happens if we have this? 25 take away 14. The 4 is in the 1, so we're going to put under the 5 because that's in the 1, and the 1 is under the 2 because that's in 10s. What happens if our top numbers are bigger than our bottom numbers? Let's just see. So 5 take away 4. We have 5 cars, and we're going to put away 4 of them. Can we do that? Yeah, we can. If we have 5 cars, we can put 4 of them away. So 5 take away 4 is 1. Yeah. And now we go to the 10s. 2 take away 1. 2 10s take away 1 10. Can we do that? If we have 20, or this is really 20 take away 10, right? 2 10s, 20, take away 1 10, 10. 20 take away 1, 2 take away 1 is 1. So really, we don't need to do any regrouping because the top number is always bigger than the bottom number. We never have any issues, and that just makes it easier for us. So if you ever see something like that, it's just a little bit of an easier question that we have to work with. Good work, everyone. Good job following along. If you need to rewatch this video a few times, or maybe next day you're practicing this, you need to rewatch this video, go right ahead and do so. And make sure you're practicing lots. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.